What is agroforestry? This is another method of farming. Greetings to all the farmers and friends involved in farming business all over the globe. Our mission is to grow enough food using zero chemicals and encourage rural youth for 100% employment on their own land. My name is Tejaram Chaudhary and we are discussing all the agriculture methods adopted by farmers all over the world. Our ultimate aim is to arrive at the best agriculture method wherein our agriculture will be simple, cheapest and natural, and it will benefit the entire humanity, entire living beings and entire climate on Mother Earth. To know more about all the agriculture methods, we are discussing briefly about each one, and today we are taking up the agroforestry farming system. What is agroforestry farming system? See, if farmers could grow crops, raise animals and cultivate trees all on the same land while improving soil and income, is it possible? That powerful system is called agroforestry, where this all is possible. Definition of agroforestry. Agroforestry is a land management approach that combines trees, crops and livestock in one integrated system. This centuries old practice creates mutually beneficial relationship between plants, animals and the environment, boosting productivity while restoring nature. Its core concept is, at its heart, agroforestry means planting trees or shrubs alongside crops or grazing land. For example, fruit trees can grow among vegetables, or trees can be planted in pastures to provide shades and fodder for animals. Ecosystem benefits. These systems provide powerful ecosystem services. They improve soil health, increase water retention, capture carbon, prevent erosion, and support biodiversity. Trees regulate temperature, protect soil, and create healthier farm environments. Types of agroforestry. Type 1 is agro-silviculture, that means trees plus crop together. Number 2 is silvopasture, means trees integrated with livestock grazing. Number 3, agro-silvopastoral, means trees, crops and animals combined. And last is forest farming, means growing herbs or food crops under forest shade. Biodiversity and soil. Agroforestry increases biodiversity, which improves pest resistance and ecosystem stability. Trees also enrich soil through organic matters and nutrient cycling. Some trees even fix nitrogen naturally, fertilizing nearby crops. Water and climate impact. Trees' roots improve water infiltration and reduce drought stress. At the same time, trees absorb carbon dioxide, helping fight climate change. Economic advantages. Farmers benefit from multiple income streams like timber, fruits, nuts, fodders, and fuel wood, reducing financial risk and increasing stability. Challenges. Biodynamic farming. However, agroforestry reduces planning. Trees take time to mature. They may compete with crops if poorly managed, and initial setup costs can be higher. Examples in Indian economy. Agroforestry has long been practiced across India. Poplar based system are common in Haryana, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh, where trees are spaced to allow tractors and seasonal crops like wheat or sugarcane. Other systems include fruit trees, farming, multiple layers, plantation, and traditional desert models, combining native trees with crops. Closing. Agroforestry proves that farming and forestry doesn't have to compete. When designed wisely, they can grow together, creating profitable farms and healthier planet. To know more about the method, keep tuned with us. Finally, we will arrive at the best agriculture method and encourage all the farmers to adopt the same for doing purely natural farming. To know more, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.